Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set live wallpaper from TikTok video. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! If you want to set a wallpaper on Android, you can use either the standard aesthetic or more exciting live wallpaper. Live wallpapers can be more fun than static ones, so you may want to use them more, and you can even use videos from TikTok. So how to do it? So simple. So first you have to make sure that you have installed this app, TikTok video wallpaper. You can just search on your App Store or Play Store. After that, you can just open your TikTok. Now, you can tap on your profile. Tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, you can just scroll down. And there is an option Wallpaper. You can tap on that. You can find wallpaper. So you can choose an wallpaper that you want to use. Maybe for the example, I want this one. You can tap on share icon in here. And you can just slide until you find set as wallpaper. You can just tap on that. You can go back. Sorry, I will try again. I will choose this one. Sorry, I will choose the live wallpaper. This is not live, this one. Tap on share icon in here. If there's no option wallpaper, you can just change to another video. Maybe for this one, I have you have downloaded it. After you finish download, you can just tap on set as wallpaper. Tap on set wallpaper. You can choose you want to set it as your home screen or home screen and your lock screen. I will choose on home screen. Now let's see. So here's your new live wallpaper on your phone. So cool, right? And so simple. So that is how to set live wallpaper from TikTok videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.